the real number system. Numbers can be classified in many different ways. Let's look at some of those. Starting with natural numbers. Natural numbers is the set of counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Whole numbers include the set of natural numbers and also 0. So whole numbers would be numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Integers include the set of whole numbers and all their negatives. So integers would be numbers like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Notice it goes on in both directions. It would continue going in both directions. Rational numbers include the set of integers, so -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, etc. But it also includes the whole set of numbers that can be expressed as a ratio of two numbers. Notice that the root of rational is ratio, and a ratio is a fraction or a comparison of two numbers. So rational numbers not only include the whole set of integers, but also the set of numbers that can be written as a ratio of integers. For instance, 1/2 is a rational number. It's a fraction or a ratio. Also, -4/3. That is a rational number because it's a ratio. It's a fraction. Rational numbers also include repeating and terminating decimals, like 3/10 repeating and 25/100. So 3/10 repeating is the repeating decimal, and it can be expressed as a fraction, 1/3. So again, it's a rational number since it can be written as a ratio. 25/100 is a terminating decimal, and it can also be written as a fraction, 1/4. So again, it's a rational number since it can be written as a ratio. The real number system also includes another set of numbers, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, if we look at the word, the prefix means not, and then we see that word again, rational. So irrational numbers is the set of numbers that are not rational, or numbers that cannot be written as a ratio, which means numbers that cannot be written as a fraction. This set of numbers includes things like pi. Pi is an irrational number. It's 3.14159, etc., etc., etc. That number goes on forever, meaning it doesn't repeat and it doesn't terminate. Therefore, it cannot be written as a fraction, so it's not rational. Another example would be like the square root of 2. The square root of 2 is 1.414, etc., etc., etc. Again, it goes on forever, so it's not rational. It doesn't repeat like 0.333333, and it doesn't terminate. It never ends. It goes on forever. So the real number system is made up of two different groups of numbers, rational numbers and irrational numbers.